Hey there guys, in this video let's see the LAMPSecurity CTF4 challenge, and this video is going to be only theory. I could do the practical for you guys, but anyways, if I do, you will just copy and paste it in and you can find you can crack the box, of course. But anyways, this video is going to be only theory, and I'm sure even if it is theory, by end of this video you will be able to crack the LAMPSecurity CTF4 challenge. So let's go through the steps on how to crack the box. So this blog post link will be in the description box below, so do check it out. So the first thing what we are doing is finding the IP address of the box. So to find the IP address of the box, you just enter appscan -l, or you can also go with the net discover command. So I have just entered the appscan -l, and you can find that I got my IP address of the box. So the target IP is 192.168.1.4. Now next what we are doing is information gathering using nmap. So I've just entered nmap -a. So I just need the service version and the operating system of the target, and I have entered the target and I found all these informations, and I have found 3 ports are available and 3 ports were open, and also I found the operating system it is running, and also I found that the service it is running, it is the database is MySQL, I guess. I think it will be there. No, it is not there, but anyways, the database it is running as MySQL. And then what I did is enumerating the target. So we have found the IP address of the target. Next we are running an nmap scan, and we are taking down the useful information such as the open ports, the service it is running, and the operating system. Once you took a note of all these, then we are enumerating the target. So to enumerate the target, I have just copied the IP address of the target and just pasted in the browser. So you can see I have pasted in the browser, and I got this screenshot. And then what I did is I just went to the blog menu. So once I click on the blog menu, you will just get this URL. So we can see that it is id is equal to 2, which means that we can do an SQL injection attack on this URL. So I have done an SQL injection attack. So what I did is next enumerating the database using the SQL map. So to enumerate the database using SQL map, you just enter the SQL map -u. So -u is for the target URL. So just copy this URL. So once you get this URL, just copy it and paste it in here. Make sure you enter the double quote, and inside the double quote you are entering the URL. And I have entered the -p. So the -p is for the parameter, and make sure you enter the double quote, and inside that you just enter the ID. And then we are entering the database --dbs MySQL. So now you know why we ran the nmap scan. And then finally I'm entering the --dbs command. So once you enter, you will be getting the database. We will be getting 6 database. So I went with the EHKS. So it is a little bit different from other database. So I started to enumerate the EHKS database. So I've just entered this command, SQL map -u for the target and -d, and I'm enumerating the database EHKS, and I've entered -- tables to find all the tables in the database. So once I enter, I found the tables. So there were 3 tables: user, blog, and command. And once we are into the tables, we know there will be the passwords and the username. So of course I know that every username and the password will be in the user. So I started to enumerate the user, and I have dumped the password. So I've just entered this command, that is SQL map -u the target, and -d the database, -t for the table you are enumerating, and I have entered the -- down to find the password. So we have found the password. So I have found 6 passwords, 6 usernames and 6 passwords. So once I went to the box and I have entered the command, and you can see that I'm inside the D Stevens. I have logged in as D Stevens, and yeah, that's it for the CTF4, LAMPSecurity CTF4. So if you just follow these steps, I'm sure that you will be inside the box. You will be able to crack the LAMPSecurity CTF4 challenge. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. There are many videos, the practical videos for LAMPSecurity CTF4 in the YouTube, but if I do, I know that it will be a waste of time. But anyways, I have shared the idea on how to crack the box, and there will be many videos on how to many videos on the CTF challenge. So do support my channel. So make sure give a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video, guys.